You need to hear this if you're feeling stressed. Ready to turn those frowns upside down? Hey there, life can be a roller coaster, but guess what? It's time to throw your hands up and enjoy the ride. When life gives you lemons, start singing, make lemonade, and add a twist. Imagine this. You trip over your own feet in public. Embarrassing? Sure. But hey, now you've got a hilarious story to tell at parties. Remember, nobody's perfect. We all have those epic fails. The key is to laugh at yourself. It keeps you humble and happy. So next time you spill coffee on your shirt before a big meeting, just smile and say, I meant to do that. Find joy in the chaos, humor in the hiccups, and you'll always come out on top. Keep laughing, keep living, and remember, life's better when you're smiling. What makes you smile? Leave comments for us about it. Come on, share your silliness.